Have you ever got trouble sleeping at night? Well, insomnia most common problem for nowadays. You might think what is the best way to cure insomnia or how to fall asleep fast. Sometimes it's not easy to falling in asleep at night, especially when you overthink about the sleep. Here are few techniques that may help you to sleep early and instantly at night, and definitely help you to cure insomnia. 1. Don't take caffeine before bed. Coffee, one of the most popular beverage that keep you active and prevent from falling in asleep during work. Caffeine is an active ingredient found in coffee. Caffeine is a stimulant which increase your alertness and prevents sleep. It blocks the adenosine which is responsible for sleep. That is the reason you should avoid caffeine before bed, but some people often work for a long time and drink coffee to keep themselves active. However, you should try to reduce the consumption of coffee or avoid it at night or 3 hours before going to sleep. The best thing you can do is love yourself, not your work, and don't force your body for staying active. If your body need rest, then listen to it and take rest.
2. Watch your eating habit. Poor eating habit also affects your sleep. A study found people with normal sleep duration was associated with the greatest food variety compared to short and long duration sleepers.
Another study shows that carbs can increase amino acid tryptophan, which increases sleepiness. Simple carbs digest easily and raise your blood sugar, that may help you fall asleep quickly when it is consumed 3 to 4 hours before bed. What you have to do, just eat everything proper portion, so it does not cause you any problem related to digestion. People who eat sufficient amount of carbs, fats and proteins can get better sleep. Because a good nutrition and food provides amino acids that promote sleepiness. A balanced diet can improve your sleep quality and help you fall asleep quickly. 3. Bedtime stretching for deep sleep. You may hear that stretching relieves muscles tension and boost blood circulation. It is mostly preferred after workout to ease the muscles pain. Besides this, stretching also improves muscles flexibility, reduce insomnia and help you to get into deep sleep. According to study, regular exercise, moderate intensity, and stretching are improved sleep quality and reduce insomnia. There are some simple stretching exercises for bedtime you can do before bed. Click here to see all the stretching exercise which you can do before bed to improve your sleep quality. 4. Meditation for sleep. Meditation, it gives you peace and calm your mind. Inner peace is crucial thing for being happy and better sleep. This type of technique helps you to reduce anxiety and improve quality of sleep. Meditation helps you calm your mind and reduce stress. If you having any trouble for sleeping, you can do meditation with some relaxing melodies. It may relax your mind and help you fall asleep instantly. When you do meditation, just focus on your breath, and you can do this for 10 minutes or as long as you can. 5. Sleep at the same time every day. During childhood, our parents used to tell us every night that sleep at the same time because it makes a good sleeping schedule as well as it becomes a habit. Our body follows circadian rhythm, 24-hour cycle, which tells us when to sleep and when to wake up. 6. Turn off electronic devices. Your laptop and smartphone emits blue light, which is not only sleep killing, but also damages your eyes' retina. It is bad for your eyes if you constantly stare at your laptop or smartphone screen. If the screen light is so bright, it may cause eye strain and affect your sleep hormone melatonin. Our circadian rhythm is also affected by blue light. As you know, circadian rhythm tells us when it is time to sleep and when to wake up. Disturbing this cycle will impact your sleep badly. So what is the solution for this issue? Try to avoid your electronic devices 2 hours before going to sleep. A study shows that if you stop using smartphone and laptop 2 hours before bed, it does not affect your sleep hormone melatonin. Another thing you can do is lower the brightness of your screen, or you can use blue light filter apps. There are so many apps available for smartphone or laptop that reduce the effect of blue light. 7. Room temperature. Well, hot and cold room temperature affect your sleep. During daytime our body reaches the highest temperature, and during night when you are asleep it reduces slightly as compared to daylight. It may depend upon where you live because some places are hot and some have moderate temperature or some can be cold. However, optimum or best room temperature for sleep is 62 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Try to adjust your room temperature within the range to fall asleep quickly. 8. Darken your bedroom for better sleep. Electrical light affect your natural sleep hormone melatonin compared to dim lights. Dark room and cool temperature is good for peaceful sleep. You can turn your lights off because your sleep hormones works better in dark room. Also, stay away from your smartphone, laptop, or any other electronic devices. Cover your windows if light is coming from outside, or use eye mask if your room is not complete dark. It will make you fall asleep instantly and fast. If you are using your smartphone or laptop, use apps that filter display blue light, and such apps can protect your eyes from blue light. Last line, all the tips will help you to fall asleep fast in 5 to 10 minutes or maybe more quickly. If you ever had any sleeping problem or feeling like insomnia, give it a try. Hope you get better, peaceful and natural sleep with these tips.